stay active while sitting? Now you can get fit while you sit with Cubii, the world's leading compact seated elliptical. Cubii is designed for all fitness levels and is the easiest way to get more activity in your life, regardless of your physical abilities. The compact, sleek design fits perfectly by the sofa when you're watching your favorite TV show, beneath your desk so you can work out while you work. It can go anywhere you can sit. Cubii targets the muscles in your body, like your core, hip flexors, glutes, quads, hamstrings, and calves, working more than half of your body's muscle groups, and has 8 levels of resistance to fit any level or skill. The low-impact elliptical motion can assist your rehab or physical therapy needs by helping you get moving a little more. The Cubii Pro is Bluetooth connected, which allows you to set goals, track progress over time, and compete with others through the Cubii app. It also syncs with Fitbit and Apple Health Kit, so you can track all your fitness in one place. Using the Cubii can help you stay active, burn more calories, improve leg strength, and your energy level. Plus, it's easy to use right out of the box. You just apply 4 screws with the included screwdriver, secure the pedals, and you're ready to use. Add more strides to your day and get fit while you sit with Cubii.